Hi everybody and welcome to Yummy Eats for One. I'm Chef Tim Bob, because you know on YouTube, everybody's got to be chef. Alright, I have 2 bone-in chicken thighs. I have 2 teaspoons of grated lime peel. And in here I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I have a tablespoon of chopped fresh cilantro, 2 teaspoons of grated onion, and 3 cloves of garlic minced. You want to put all your ingredients in the bag with the chicken. Pinch of salt, and mix it all up. And after it's all mixed up in there, you want to let it marinate for at least 8 hours to overnight in the refrigerator. And the next morning, or whenever you decide to do it, cook it however you want to. You can do it on the grill, you can do it in the oven, however you want. I just put it in the oven on 350 and cooked it for about an hour, and then let it rest for about 10 minutes. And there we go. Lime garlic chicken thighs.